So, would you rather live in a bad neighborhood in a big house, or would you rather live in a small house in a good neighborhood? Comment down below whichever you prefer.
Tell them TG, no man to man dancing around here. Hey, girl, come wind up, come turn around and wind up.
Good morning. Can you say good morning? Good morning, guys. So this first thing I'm going to show you guys is this, what I got Madison. So of course, you know, the Orbit system is what I've been using for her. I really love their system, so much so that I had the car seat and the base for the stroller. So now that she's getting older, I went ahead and purchased the toddler seat for the stroller. So I got, you know, extra, you know, I got this little foot muff for the winter time when it gets cold and we want to go outside for a jog. So it just looks like that. And then this is the actual toddler seat. So it comes with the little food tray here. Yum yum. Miss Maddie's gonna be, you know. And then this part comes off. Anyways, so I bought the sunshade separate. So I got the red one because they went out of business, so it's kind of hard to find the pieces now. So they only had the red. I wanted the pink, the bubblegum pink or whatever, but they had the red. And then this one came with the infant insert, so it just looks like that. And then I ordered a new base because the other one I had broke. If you guys remember, it broke. So this is the Miss Maddie in stock. It's a piece of paper. Oh my gosh, really? Here, it's a new piece. Don't play with me. Come on. No, it's not funny. Here. She literally, earlier when I gave it to her, she literally was like, she gagged, like really gagged. She hate mushy food. Ow! Here, try it. Try it. We have to try new things. Come on. Here. Girl. Come on. Here. Yummy. See. Choo-choo-choo-choo-choo-choo-choo. Choo-choo. No. Come on. We gotta try it. Come on. Here. Okay. I'll do small piece. Small piece. We're gonna do a small piece, okay? Here. Yummy. Yummy. It's in your mouth now. You gotta eat it. Good job, Maddie. Oh my word. Good job, baby. Is this yummy? Look. Oh, you like it. Yes. Okay, let's do it again. Oh, fail. Oh, big fail. Oh, no, you gotta eat it. Okay, whatever. I wanted to show you guys that this child don't like mushy food. She don't like mushy food. That's the pear in the can. I had it, I opened it this morning to give it to the kids for their lunch, and I had leftovers, so I figured she would eat it. No, ain't having it. I chose a theme for Maddie's birthday, and it is I don't know if I should tell you guys or let you guys see. Yes, maybe I should tell you guys what I chose so you guys can give me some ideas, like, you know, how to set it up and what to do, like, you know, just, but I have a theme in mind, and I already ordered, have, what is the problem? You're tired, cranky? Yes. So I have a I have the theme in mind. I already customized her invitation on Zazzle, and I want to go ahead and order it, but I'm still kind of like, oh, is that the color I want? You know what I mean? So it's gonna be I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys, it's gonna be Winter Wonderland, and it's gonna be Winter 1 Durland because she's 1. So let me know. My plan is to do like a candy buffet with, you know, some pink candy, some silver, and the colors are going to be silver, pink, and white. So yeah, give me some ideas on what kind of decorations and, you know, places that I can order decoration, because there's not much places that does customized. You can't really find on Amazon like the plates and stuff for that kind of theme. You have to order on Etsy, and Etsy is ridiculously expensive, even though you're supporting, you know, small little, you know, businesses. It's so expensive, like seriously. And then most of the time is you have to print out your own stuff, and you have to I ain't got time. I'm not because I'm gonna spend $50-something for some, you know, for you to type up something, and then I'm gonna have to spend more money to get it printed out and stuff like that. So let me know, and I'm gonna go. I've been talking for 4 minutes. Bye guys. Guys, these are so good. These are pretzel waffles. Butter is so good. And then I'm having some cheese, some turkey for protein, and of course, voila, my coffee in my darling mug. And I'm watching YouTube, so I'm gonna go enjoy my breakfast. Look who came to enjoy my breakfast with me. Look at her eye in my plate. Maddie. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Everyone is home. The kids are home from school. Hubby's home from work.
Hi guys. Hi.
What did you learn today?
I said them kids coming out.
You two coming out?
Yeah.
Let me see. Ooh, Jackson lost another tooth. You're so handsome. I think you're the world's most handsome boy. Right?
Ding ding.
Okay.
If I have two flips out, I'm going to cuter.
Oh, you're so conceited. You're like your daddy. Anywho, I just spoke to our lender, so he kind of like gave us an update and stuff and told us where we need to be. So we're still on track. So that's good. Yay! This little one right here has been just so cranky. My hand is hurting really bad. I don't know what I did to it. I get these like really joint pain. I don't know what, but it's hurting really bad. Get off of there, Madison. Look, get down. What? Oh man, get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Where's her bottle? Sissy gonna get your bottle. I'm trying to declutter this house. I didn't show you guys my pillows. I bought my pillows.
Okay.
My diaper bag. My half naked husband right there. So I got this pillow over here, and it's just the number 7 because there's 7 of us in our family. And then the Ann one. This is so cute. I think the Ann is so cute. And then to stuff them, I just cut up some old pillows. Cut them open and then stuff them. And then you have the checker one. I'm going to get the red one, the buffalo print for Christmas. I want to get that. And then this one had that one. And found some Ray-Ban stuff for a couple of my Ray-Ban sisters. So I found those. And then I have oh gosh, Ray-Ban everywhere. I have this one that says Home Sweet Home. And then this one right here. So yeah. I'm making curry wings for dinner. My arm is hurting. I gotta go get my nails filled. Like, they're starting to look atrocious now Well, they're not bad. And then, you know the good thing about my nail guy is, let me tell you guys what's so good about my nail guy is that when he does my nail, they stay on forever. Like, they're not going anywhere. Like, I don't have nails that fall off. I think one time he had to fix my nail, but he fixed it on purpose. Like, he took because it was starting to lift a little bit, so he just kind of like fixed it, and that was the only fix I had this whole year with my nails. So get you a good nail guy that is gonna put them suckers on and it stay on, like, because it's bad when you do your nails and water get under it and bacteria and all that. That's nasty. So yeah, I remember I switched nail guy to one because my nail guy is like an hour away from here. Don't ask me why, but he's very far. But I will travel the distance to go get my nails done by him. Oh my gosh. Can you move and stop being creepy? Lord. What's up? Look at Creeper. What's up?
The flesh now, it's getting smaller and smaller and smaller.
I don't know what is he talking about, honey? Back to what I was saying before that little boy creeped me out. Sorry. That's just how we joke in our family. So if that insult any of you guys, that's just how we are, okay? It's not meant to be mean to our children. That's just who we are. But anyways, like I was saying, my nail guy, he does my nails, and he's an hour away. So I cheated on my nail guy. Went to somewhere else. They put my nail on. You know, during doing my chores around the house, like washing dishes, clothes, all of that, my fingernail got in water, and the water seeped around the nail, and then it started growing this green stuff on the nail. And then I went back to my nail guy, and he knew I cheated on him because he was like, girl. So he had to take off the whole thing off my my nail bed and let it breathe. I had to rock my actual nails for a while. Long story short, I didn't have nails on my thing because I cheated on my nail guy and almost got an infection and died. No, that's way too dramatic, Janice. Way too dramatic. I didn't almost die. I'm joking, but I'm just saying, don't cheat on your nail guy. It's not good. Who majors in math? Look. Why are you bothering your sister? She's doing her homework.
This is not homework.
Oh, that's not homework? That's just extra activity?
Yeah.
Maddie, stop. Just stop. What is this?
It's not actually happening.
What is it? Be alert. Headlights. Get that out of my house. Get that out of my house. And headlights. Where?
Nowhere.
Oh.
It's just from the nurse.
Oh. Y'all scared me. Someone put that in the trash. Someone please put that in the trash before I flip out. Headlights.
Gave it to us.
No, gave what to you? Who gave headlights to you?
No, the nurse gave us something.
Tell her no. Next time she give you a paper headlight, say no. No way, Kimasabi. I rebuke you.
Do I trash this?
Yeah, please trash it. Headlights. Headlights, babe. I don't want to deal with that crap ever again. Oh my gosh, did I tell you the time that Destiny got headlights? Everyone kept on saying that black people can't get headlights, which is a lie, because my children got headlights. And Jason at the time had curls in his hair, and I had to cut his hair off, and there was like little thing trying to go in his little brain. Those things freaked me out, so I had to cut off his hair. And then my daughter, oh my gosh, that was a nightmare. Kids with long hair and lice, oh my gosh, I was so sick for a good month. I hate when they send home paper towel by headlights, because that means there's headlights going around in school, and I will keep my kids home for however long until they rectify their headlight situation. But anyways, I'm gonna go. I think I have enough footage for you guys. Maddie, stop the noise, man.
Yeah, so yeah, put it away. So
anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys. I meant to tell you guys something, but once I figure it out, I'll put it in tomorrow's video, and I will let you guys know what it is that I meant to tell you guys. But oh, I meant to ask you guys, so would you rather live in a bad neighborhood in a big house, or would you rather live in a small house in a good neighborhood? Comment down below whichever you prefer, because right now homegirl is on the desperate side of life right now. I would rather go live in the ghetto in a big house than to live in a small house in a good area. You know what I mean? I have 5 kids, so comment down below which you would prefer. It's not, don't be offended if you live in a bad area. I don't know. I gotta go. Talk to y'all later. Bye.